We just completed the desk. It took about an hour to build this thing. It was very simple. Instructions are very intuitive. Now, it has 3 drawers here. You guys can see that. You can save your pens, pencils, paper, accessories, stationery, pretty much anything you want to save in there, extra computer parts. Now, the desk, you guys can see, it's on the right hand side. This is adjustable. It could be moved to the left too also. It doesn't have to be. So if your room requires it to be on the left side, you could get the instruction. And they have the instruction for both sides, either the left or the right. Now, it does have this top here for your monitor, which is perfect, including LED lights. There's a control for it. And the best thing I like about this is that everything is connected within our power adapter here. You got 3 connections for power and 2 for USBs. That's what is powering the light itself, the lamp, and the computer and the monitor. All right, you also have room for the desktop in the bottom here. The computer, you have it. Large full keyboard, your mouse pad. You could tuck everything in underneath this podium and have it nice and tuck in. Wireless here. You could have everything tether into the back. Cable management. Very sturdy, very strong, easy to set up. Real wood. Other than this part right here, it's not real wood, it's cloth. It's an image of wood, but the whole entire thing is actually wood. As you notice, we do have a large 32-inch monitor in here. Now, you could fit any size you want, but as long as it fits the actual podium, it's perfect. You could design it, add the mood of your LED lights as you please. We're going to change the different tones on the LED. There's plenty of lights. You choose the light that you require or you want for your ambience. If you're playing your games, you want to make sure you fit the game itself. You could change it. There's different modes. It could change them to different colors. Also different types of flashes.